Hello everyone, just want to show you a Marc Jacobs bag that we bought from Aliexpress. My fiance liked it, so I bought it. I don't usually buy your bags from Aliexpress. I usually buy them from, you know, the official stores, but she really liked this one, and you can't find this online, so I doubt online anywhere else, should I say. So I doubt that Marc Jacobs actually makes this style of bag. But she liked it and we got it anyway. We'd only had it a couple of days. We went to a firework display and she bent over to pick something up off the floor that she dropped, and when she got back up, her strap got caught on the baby's pram or pushchair, whatever you want to call it, and snapped. As you can see on this end, that snapped off that end. And we've not a lot of force. So yeah, we've not a lot of force at all. That snapped off. And if you look at it, you probably won't be able to see it, but you know those cheap toy cars that you buy? They're made from a metal that's quite soft, and if you stand on them it crushes the car. Well, it looks like that's what that's made of, I think it's like a die cast alloy or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, it broke. I'm probably going to message the seller and ask them if they can send out a new strap, but if not, I'll just get another strap from somewhere and put that on there. So yeah, if you ever think about buying a bag of any kind, especially with these metal clasps or metal chains or something, just bear in mind that the metals might not be very good quality and they might break quite easily. So yeah, there we go. This cost about $10. It's a nice bag, to be fair. It is a nice bag, but the metals they're using on them are probably I don't know what they're, to be honest, but they're not very good. So yeah, there's links in the description if you at least want to go and have a look. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.